Oh. The other day I came home from work and I was driving up the driveway. It's a bit steep where we are, steepish. And I saw this pineapple. It was starting to get yellow and I was like, oh, that's so good. I'm going to leave it there for another couple of days so that on the weekend I can then grab my camera, go down and pick it and film it, how to pick a pineapple. That very same afternoon or later in the evening, James came back up to the cottage and presented me with that pineapple and said, oh look what I picked, because it was about time. So there went my idea of showing how to harvest a pineapple. But just now I discovered another pineapple that's yellow. I think it's ready to be picked and we can film it now. So let me show you. So here we are in the backyard of the house, and that's where I have the pineapple. So there it is, and we're going to pick it together now. So theoretically what you have to do, try not to get those spiky ends somewhere near you. You pick it up and twist and twist and twist until it breaks off, and there's your pineapple. How good is that? I'm actually really excited. I wish you could smell, but it's so fruity and so juicy and so sweet. You can literally smell the sweetness, so I can't wait to cut it open. And I noticed over the last couple of days, walking to the car and back or to the barn and walking past the pineapples we have planted, that we have 2 more baby pineapples. So let me show you. Here's baby pineapple number 2. And I should correct myself, we actually have 3 baby pineapples growing at the moment. And here we have baby pineapple number 3. Let's cut this one. That's from our own garden. And it is a bit seeping some liquid, so anything can happen. So what I usually do, I keep the tops. I try to twist them off, because that's how you grow new pineapples. So keep the tops, and then let's see. Ooh. Yum. I don't know if that's the right way to cut the pineapple. It works for me, so I'm going with that. And I also get rid of this little hard middle thing. But let's see. I can't get over how sweet and juicy homegrown pineapples are. Sorry, James. Can't have both. Can't have a nice train trip and juicy pineapples. I usually, over the last couple of years, I have developed some kind of very, very mild reaction when I eat store-bought pineapples. It's like my tongue just gets a bit furry, but with the pineapples we grow here at home, like nothing. I could literally eat the whole pineapple, which I'm probably going to do, and nothing. Like with store-bought ones, sometimes I can't even eat half of a quarter. Like if I would eat this, then I would already have this kind of reaction on my tongue. So I'm going to eat pineapple now. Now let me show that to you again. With twisting the top. I think it's a bit spiky actually again. So grab the top and twist. Here we go. And to grow your next little pineapple again, pull off the little leaves. And then put it into water on your windowsill. Make sure there's always some water in and it's quite covered in water, that this end is always covered in water. And again, a couple of weeks at least, I would think, until you have seen some roots formed at the bottom. Like those roots, I don't know if you can see that already. There's just tiny little, you know, brown little roots there. And yeah, a couple of weeks later, those roots have grown. And then just pop it into your mulch or loose, very loose soil outside, full sun. I always had them in full sun and never had an issue. And I think here in Queensland, if you drive past, excuse me, pineapple farms, they're always in full sun. So that looks like a good little bit exposed. Again, if you haven't, grab your own pottery or any kind of pot or little vessel, water, put your pineapple top in, and that goes onto the windowsill.
And that's pretty much it. That's how I grow new pineapples. Here I have collected 5 new tops from pineapples, which I'm going to plant in really loose mulch. Just cover them and pretty much do nothing for the next 12 to 18 months. So hopefully then I have new pineapples growing. So thank you for watching this little pineapple video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!